There are many products available to choose trunk organizer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best trunk organizer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Knodel 36-inch Sturdy Car Trunk Organizer. This trunk organizer features a built-in cooler bag, which dozens of reviewers find helpful when toting frozen groceries. One reviewer purchased it for their 4-door Jeep and proclaims that they absolutely love it for keeping their groceries cool. We went for a ride to a local dairy, about 45 minutes away, and I wanted to bring ice cream home to my hubby, so they purchased 2 half-gallon tubs of ice cream and secured them in the cooler bag. After the 45-minute drive back, they were still perfectly frozen when we got home. And another reviewer shares that even their husband was impressed. No more groceries rolling around the back of our SUV, no more crushed bread or broken eggs. Throw an ice pack in the thermal zippered side and no more melted ice cream. This thing rocks. Number 2. FORTEM Car Trunk Organizer. I was concerned that the organizer would move around while driving, but the Velcro strips on the bottom hold it very securely to the trunk's rug. One reviewer writes of this organizer, which is 2 inches wider and 1 inch shorter than the more expensive pick above. If you want some extra protection from slipping and sliding, this trunk organizer also has clips that one reviewer describes as very strong, and I admire that it has clips on all 4 sides to adjust the length of it to fit in a variety of places. Plus, this has more pockets, pouches, and handles than I know what to do with, writes a reviewer whose trunk got the nickname Bad Car Sloppy Slop before the purchase of this organizer. Number 3. Trunkcratepro Collapsible Portable Multi-Compartments Trunk Organizer. This trunk organizer has over 13,800 5-star reviews, but the one feature that's mentioned in dozens of reviews is the Velcro at the bottom. As one reviewer explains, I like the fact that this came with a touch of Velcro-type material on the bottom so it wouldn't slide in the trunk. Another calls the Velcro a pleasant surprise. Great little feature that I missed reviewing the item before I bought it is it has Velcro on the bottom so it sticks to the trunk and doesn't move around when I'm taking corners. The compartments are another beloved feature, mentioned by hundreds of reviewers. I got tired of all the work stuff flopping around in the trunk. This organizer definitely takes care of that issue, one reviewer explains. There's enough space, compartments, and pockets to hold all my field tools, cabling, adapters, etc. Number 4. Honey-Can-Do Folding Car Trunk Organizer. I was very hesitant paying, I guess you would say, a small amount of money for these organizers, thinking they would be flimsy and low quality, one reviewer writes. But that was not the case at all. These organizers are very sturdy and actually roomy. One who says this more affordable organizer can hold all of one's trunk junk adds that it keeps all my worst-case scenario goods in one place, which includes the usual jumper cables and windshield wiper fluid, but also an air compressor, first aid kit, bungee cords, gas can, paper towels, etc. Others love that this organizer is compact and leaves room in the trunk for more items. This fits great in the trunk of my Volkswagen Jetta, one writes. I still have tons of room left over, even with this in the trunk. Another explains, there is room for groceries, luggage, bags of donations, and so forth. Number 5. Drive Auto Products Car Trunk Storage Organizer with Straps. Over 36,300 reviewers give this organizer a 5-star rating, and hundreds call out its straps, an addition that lots of organizers on this list lack as their favorite feature. Asking the tough questions, one reviewer writes, seriously, why don't more organizers have straps? They explain, if your car has anything to hook on, this organizer is your best bet to keep your things from sliding around. Rubber feet don't really work well and Velcro tears up your carpet. And this organizer really can hold anything. One reviewer uses this to hold an ammo case and a 3-day survival bag just in case the SHTF, and says it's much better than letting the stuff slide around banging into the sides of the trunk. The straps are sturdy too, they add. I have about 50 pounds worth of stuff in one of them right now, and the sides are still straight up, and it's holding up well. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.